Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience. Nature's secrets are incredibly inspiring and bountiful. Life lessons are learned that are not taught in school. Walking in Mother Nature, God's natural kingdom, with awareness will bring you insightful wisdom. Her efflorescent beauty is shown everywhere, even in the depth of winter, when much lies bare. There's always splendor and miracles to view. When with your soul eyes you choose look through. In winter, when all the leaves fall from a tree, the intricate branches are visible for scrutiny, extending onwards and upwards into the sky as we expand our consciousness up so high. Then spring arrives to enliven and lighten our days. Nature manifests its perfection in numerous ways. Beautifully delicate, pure blossoms flourish for a while, showing us to appreciate now and let go with a smile. Summer bestows nature's miraculous abundance. Flowers' overwhelming beauty give more evidence of the variety of life, its shapes, colors, and size. Everyone is just perfect in God's all-knowing eyes. Summer turns to autumn, or some say fall. Changes in the air, and nature heeds the call. Leaves burst into color, then wither and die. As to all human beings, including you and I. The isle is complete, a year has come and gone. Nature will eternally repeat its wondrous song, teaching us through awareness year after year, if we are open to its wisdom and ready to hear. All of this is provided at a sure and steady pace. Nature is perfect. There's never a need to race. Everything's accomplished in a time of her own. Nature's secret is patience. To us, she has shown. Adopt the pace of nature. Her secret is patience.